Now one more method for factorization, that is formula method. We have done so far two methods. The first method was direct factorization by using factors. Second method was completing square method, and this is the third method called formula method of factorization. This method is very easy. Okay, so start with step 1. Write the quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This form is called index form or standard form. And then find the value of a, b and c. This type of sums you have already done. The coefficient of x square is called a, coefficient of x is called b, and the constant number is called c. But the condition should be, the equation should be in which form? Index form. If it is not in the index form, then you have to convert it into index form first and then write. In completing square method, what you were doing? You were dividing throughout by coefficient of x square, right? Here you don't have to do any such thing, and this is not much complicated as well. This is step 1. Step 2. Find the value of discriminant. Now what is discriminant? Discriminant means delta. It is a symbol for discriminant, delta, which is b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Now from where you have to take b, a and c? These values. You have to substitute a, b, c value here in b square minus 4ac and find the value of discriminant called delta. Why? Because you can substitute this value in this formula. Now find the value of roots by formula. And what are the roots? If the quadratic equation has x, these will be the value of x. If quadratic equation has a y as a variable, this will be the value of y. So these values of variable are called roots. Find the value of roots by formula. And what is the formula? Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Plus minus means that it has two answers. One time you have to add value of b square minus 4ac, and second time you have to subtract the value of under root b square minus 4ac. And what is b square minus 4ac? Is the delta, this value. Okay, and then you can separate them, separate the value, because one will be plus and the other will be minus, just like completing square method. These steps are same like completing square method. Just separate the values and write the final answer as the given roots of the roots of the given quadratic equations are first and second dash and dash. So these are the steps. Fatafat, one more time we will see to it. First you have to convert it in which form? Standard form or index form, and find the value of ABC. Find the value of delta, which is b square minus 4ac. Delta is also known as discriminant. Third, find the value of root. The formula is minus b plus minus under root delta upon 2a. Then separate the value and write the answer. That's all. These are the steps. Okay, so we will start with the first 2.4 exercise, right? And compare the quadratic equation to the general form and write the value of a, b, c. It has only the first step. In short, you have to do only first step. They have not told to factorize this thing. They have just told to write the value of a, b and c. So only first step you have to do. Now first we have to write equation is this. So comparing equation with the index form. Index form is, general formula is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get, what we get? What is value of a? A is 1. We get a equal to 1, b equal to, what is value of b? B is the coefficient of x, so coefficient of x is minus 7, and value of c equal to 5. Extra thing I'm doing, see, you have to do only this much because they have told you to find out ABC. We found ABC, but I will be doing extra thing. I will find the value of delta as well. So delta is b square minus 4ac equal to b square minus 4 into 1 into c. So b is minus 7, 4 will remain 4, a is 1 and c is 5. Minus square is plus, 7 square is 49, minus 4 5s are 20, 1s are 20, so 20. and the value of delta, that is discriminant. 49 minus 20 is 29. Okay, the next one, what we have to do first, we have to write in which form? Index form. So converting into index form, 2m square minus 5m plus 5 equal to 0. Comparing the equation with ax square, instead of x I can use m square, so am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 2, b equal to minus 5 and c equal to 5. So we got the value of a, b and c. Right, now what we need to find? Discriminant, that is delta, and delta is b square minus 4ac minus 5 square minus 4 into 2 into 5. Minus 5 square is 25, 5 4s are 20, 2s are 40, right? Minus 5 square is 25, 5 4s are 20, 2s are 40. So answer will come minus 15. So delta is minus 15. The third one, y square equal to 7y. Therefore now first you have to write in which form? The standard form or the index form. So y square minus 7y plus constant should be there. Constant is 0 because constant is absent, so we will write 0 equal to 0. Now comparing with equation a, now we have y as a variable, so ay square plus by plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to again 0. Now what we'll find out? Delta c. As per the question we have to find just a, b and c. You don't have to find delta. Okay, so in exam if they ask find the value of ABC, do find value of ABC only, don't find delta. Okay, here I am doing extra so that in sum when we do that thing, when we solve the sum by using same method, it will become easy for you. Now minus 7, first I need to write formula, b square minus 4ac minus 7 square minus 4 into 1 into 0. Minus 7 square is 49 minus 4 ones are 4 into 0, anything multiplied by 0 is 0, so answer 49. So delta is 49. Are you getting it? Sure. So now when delta is positive, here delta is negative, just keep it in mind. This will come in next exercise, which is 2.5. Whenever delta is negative, the roots means answer, the value of here variable is m, so value of m will be unreal. Unreal means you don't have to solve it further, just you have to write if delta is negative, the roots are unreal. This will come in exercise 2.5, not 2.4. And whenever they are positive, it means roots are real, right? And then you can continue. Here you don't have to continue after this. Hope you understood first 3 sums. Now we will start with sum number 2. First sum, right? So we need to factorize now. Now we have to do the whole method, the full method. The first step, that write the quadratic equation in the form of index, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and find the value of a, b and c. So it is already, you can see it is already in the form of quadratic equation or standard form, right? Something x square plus something x plus something equal to 0. So just we have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c and find the value of abc. So comparing equation or quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and right, and a equal to, not and, therefore a equal to 1, b equal to 6 and c equal to 5, right? So the next step will be find the value of discriminant where discriminant is delta, b square minus 4ac. In short, we have to find the value of delta. Now therefore, discriminant equal to delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Therefore, delta equal to 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 5. Therefore, 6 square is 36 minus 4 5s are 20. Therefore, 36 minus 20 is 16. So, we got delta, the value of delta or b square minus 4ac is 16. The next thing, find the value of roots by formula. Now, we have to apply the formula. Therefore, roots means variable is x. So, x, value of x equal to minus b plus minus under root, you can write delta also because it is delta, or you can write b square minus 4ac is one and the same upon 2a. These are the roots. Therefore, x equal to minus value of b plus minus value of delta upon 2 value of a. So what is value of b? B is 6. What is value of delta? Delta is 16. And what is value of a? A is 1. Therefore, x equal to minus 6 plus minus 4 upon 2 ones are 2. So x equal to, now what we have to do? The next step, separate the value of root as alpha and beta. But here, as we know, the roots are x. When you are not sure about the roots, then you can use it as alpha and beta. Here we will not use as alpha and beta, we will just write as x. So separating the roots, minus 6 plus 4 upon 2 or minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. X equal to minus 2 by 2 or x equal to minus 10 by 2. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 or x equal to minus 5. Therefore, the roots of, right, we are doing final step, the roots of given quadratic equations are dash and dash. So roots of quadratic equation are minus 1 and minus 5. This is the end of sum number 1. Sum number 2. Now, first step was write the quadratic equation in the index form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and find the value of a, b and c. Here the equation is already in index form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So let's compare with this thing and find the value of a, b and c. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to minus 2. Correct? Next, find the value of discriminant. Here discriminant delta equal to b square minus 4ac. So discriminant, which is also known as delta, which is b square minus 4ac equal to something square minus 4 into something. Here b, value of b is minus 3, value of a is 1, value of c is minus 2. We know negative square is positive, 3 square is 9. Minus into minus will become plus. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 8. And 9 and 8 is 17. So discriminant is 17. Right? Now the next step. Hope you remember the steps, but then do. Next, to find the value of roots by this formula. And what is the formula? Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So therefore roots equal to, now variable are x, equal to minus b plus minus under root delta. You can write delta or b square minus 4ac upon 2a, equal to minus 3 plus minus under root 17 upon 2. What is value of a? 1. So minus 3 is plus 3 plus minus root 17 upon 2 ones are 2. Right? So we got the value of x. Now we have to separate the values. So now therefore x equal to plus 3 plus root 17 upon 2, or x equal to 3 minus root 17 upon 2. Separated the value. The first value is called alpha and the second value is called beta. Therefore, final answer, the roots of quadratic equation are 3 plus root 17 by 2 or 3 minus root 17 by 2. And this is the answer. Isn't it easy? Sum number 3. Again the same formula method. Step 1, write the quadratic equation in index form. It is already in the index form. We will find the value of a, b and c. So by comparing with 3m square, am square plus bm plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to 3, b equal to 2 and c equal to minus 7. Therefore the next step is delta, but then 2 will verify. Find the value of discriminant called delta, which is b square minus 4ac. So discriminant equal to delta equal to b square minus 4ac equal to b square minus 4 into a into c. Value of b is 2, value of a is 3 and value of c is minus 7. 2 square is 4, minus into minus is plus. 7 3s are 21 and 21 4s are 84. So 84. So it's 88. I'll repeat, 2 square 4, minus into minus plus, 7 3s are 21 and 21 4s are 84. Now 4 plus 84 is 88, which is right. So delta value is 88. The next step is the formula. Roots by the formula. And what is the formula? Speak loudly with me. Minus b plus minus under root delta upon 2a. We'll repeat. Minus b plus minus under root delta upon 2a. So roots equal to, what are the roots? M equal to minus b plus minus under root delta, delta is b square minus 4ac upon 2a equal to minus b. What are the minus b? Minus b value plus under root delta's value upon 2a value. What is value of b? 2. B square minus 4ac is 88 and value of a is 3. Now m equal to minus 2. Now 88, we need to factorize 88. 2 44, 2 22, 2 11s are and 11 1s are. Here 2 is paired, so this 2 will come out. These 2 and 11 are not paired, so 11 2s are 22. 22 will remain under root. So here plus minus will remain plus minus. Under root 88 will become 2 root 11 2s are 22. As this is paired, this will come out. You have learned in standard 9th. This is called surd concept. Surd. So this will come out. This is called mixed. Converting pure surd into mixed. 2 into 3. Now if you notice, numerator has 2 common, even denominator has a 2. Numerator has a 2 and denominator has a 2. So 2 you can cancel, not like this, not like this. So what you have to do, first you have to take out 2 common. So 2, if 2 is common, then under bracket, here 2 common, so minus 1, plus minus 2 common, so what is left? Minus 20, sorry, plus minus 22, root 22, upon, if you take out 2 common from denominator, then what will left? 3. Now this 2 got cancelled. Therefore m equal to minus 1 plus minus root 22 upon 3. Therefore m, now separate, minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3, or m equal to minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3. First one is called delta and the first one is called alpha and the second one is called beta. Therefore the roots of given quadratic equation are minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3 and minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3. This is the end of sum number 3. Sum number 4. Now I will not use that steps, that sheet, right? Are you getting? This sheet I will not use. Hope you remember now all the steps. So we'll be using this step without seeing. So you know the first step was writing in index form. It is already in index form, right? So directly we have to compare with index form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here variable is m. So comparing with am square plus bm plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to 5, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 2. Therefore we got the values. Now what we have to find? Delta. Delta is called discriminant, which is delta, which is b square minus 4ac, which is equal to b square minus 4 into a into c. What is value of b? Minus 4. What is value of a? 5. And what is value of c? Minus 2. So now minus square is plus, 4 square is 16, minus into minus plus, 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40, so 40, and 40 plus 16 is 56. So discriminant we got 56, delta, or you can write b square minus 4ac, and here therefore. The next step is the value of roots. So roots, the formula of roots equal to, what are the root? M, variable are m equal to minus b plus minus under root delta, and delta is b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b, so minus plus minus under root something upon 2 something b. What is value of b? Minus 4. Delta is 56 and 2a, a is 5. Now minus into minus plus 4 plus minus 56, you need to factorize. I think something will come out as common. So 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 14s are 2 7s are, and 7 1s are again 2, right? 2 will come out and 7 2s are 14 will remain in root. So it is 2 root 14. Conversion of pure surd into mixed upon 2 into 5. See, here also just like last sum, 2 you can take out as common here in from numerator as well as in denominator. So now 4 and 2 will be common, so 2 is common. So what will remain here? 2 plus minus, and here just root 14 upon, here what will be common? 2, 2 is there, and what will left? 5. 2 got cancelled, so 2 plus minus under root 14 by 5, m. Therefore the value, no value, we have to separate them first. So m equal to 2 plus root 14 upon 5, or m equal to 2 minus root 14 upon 5. Therefore the roots of the given quadratic equation are 2 plus root 14 by 5 or 2 minus root 14 by 5. That's all. This is the end of sum number 4. Sum number 5, y square plus 1 upon 3y equal to 2. First it is in fraction, so we have to take LCM and write in the index form. So first upon 1 upon 1. Here LCM equal to 3. Therefore multiply throughout by 3. Therefore 3 into y square upon 1 plus 3 into 1 upon 3y equal to 3 into 2 by 1. Nothing can be cancelled, so 3y square, 3 will get cancelled, so 1y equal to 3 2s are 6. So 3y square plus 1y minus 6 equal to 0. This is standard form or index form. Now comparing with index form, that is a y square plus by plus c equal to 0. We get a equal to 3, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 6. Then what we have to find? Value of discriminant. So discriminant. And what is discriminant? Delta. And delta is, the formula is not under root, b square minus 4ac. b is 1 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 6. So b is 1, a is 3 and minus 6. 1 square is 1, minus into minus become plus, 4 3s are 12, right, and 12 6 are 72. So 1 plus 72 is 73. So 73, we got the value of discriminant, delta. Now roots. What are the roots? Variable is y, so y equal to, what is the formula? Minus b plus minus under root delta. Delta is b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Y minus plus minus delta upon 2a. What is value of b? B value is 1, delta value is 73, and 2a, a value is 3. Therefore y equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 73 upon 2 3s are 6. Separating them, so y equal to minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6, or y equal to minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6. Therefore the roots of equation are minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6 and minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6. That's all. This is the end of sum number 5. Sum number 6. 5x square plus 13x plus 8 equal to 0. It is already in index form, so directly by comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 5, b equal to 13 and c equal to 8. Now next is delta. Delta is called discriminant. and discriminant equal to delta equal to b square minus 4ac equal to 13 square minus 4 into 5 into 8. 13 square is 169 minus 5 fours are 20 and 20 into 8 is 160. So difference is just 9. 8 5s are 40 and 4 4s are 16. So 160 is correct. 169 minus 160 is 9. So delta we got 9. Discriminant we got 9. Now next, roots. And what is the variable? X equal to minus b plus minus under root what? Delta, which is b square minus 4ac upon 2a equal to minus b plus minus under root delta upon 2a. What is value of b? 13. What is value of delta? 9. What is value of a? 5. So minus 13 plus minus, value of 9, root 9 is 3 only, upon 5 2s are 10, right? So now this is the value of x or the roots. Now we need to separate them. Therefore x equal to minus 13 plus 3 upon 10, or x equal to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. So x equal to minus 10 by 10, or x equal to minus 16 by 10. So x equal to minus 1, or x equal to minus 1.6. Am I right? Correct? The next, the roots of given quadratic equation are minus 1 and minus 1.6. That's all. This is sum number 6. Sum number 3, which is of 3 marks. This is also same sum but in activity form. I am doing the sum as it is the way we did other sums, but you can do in the activity way also. Now write the steps of solving the following equation: x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0 using formula method. Now first, the equation should be in which form? Standard form, index form. It is already in index form. So comparing the equation x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 1, b equal to 2 root 3 and c equal to 3. Right? Now what we will find out? Discriminant, which is called delta, which is b square minus 4ac, which is something square minus 4 into something. Now b is 2 root 3, a is 1 and c is 3. 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3. 2 square 4, root 3 square is 3. Minus 4 3s are 12. Now 4 3s are 12 minus 12 and 12 minus 12 is 0. Discriminant 0. Remember, whenever the deltas are 0, roots are real and equal. Real and equal means it is perfect square. This is perfect square. It means you have only one root. Every time you are getting two answers, am I right? Every time you are getting two answers, alpha and beta, alpha and beta, alpha and beta. Here you will get only one answer because both answers are same. So we are writing it only how many times? One time. But when it is possible? When delta equal to 0. Now roots equal to, what is the root value? Variable is x, equal to minus b plus minus under root delta, which is b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore x equal to minus under root delta upon 2a. Now what is value of b? B value is 2 root 3 plus minus b square minus 4ac is 0 and a is 1. So x equal to minus 2 root 3 plus minus 0 upon 2. Therefore x equal to plus minus 0, nothing is possible, right? So minus 2 root 3 upon 2. Therefore x equal to 2 will get cancelled, minus root 3. Therefore the root of given quadratic equation is minus root 3. And if you want to write it two times, minus root 3 and minus root 3, that is also okay. You can separate this also, but every time you will get answer, say minus root 3. And this is the end of third sum and the end of your exercise 2.4. Hope you know this sum and enjoyed also. Chalo, have a nice day.